IT professionals video tutorials. In this tutorial, we want to look at chart of account. To see our chart of account, we go to our general ledger. So under general ledger, we have the account. So we look at the account. So account. So these are the various accounts. So we have various things that we can do for an account. These are the sales. We have just one revenue account. That is sales, expenses. So we have, so depending on the kind of company, we can add a new account, we can edit the existing, we can delete, we can also right click. Once you right click, to give you the opportunity to edit or add or delete. One thing to note is you cannot delete account that has been in the settings. There are some settings that may have been done. So assuming this is a company that into let's look at a training organization, for example. So their income will be training income. So training income. So I click on OK. So it does not change to training income. So I can now add, I'll follow the same number, this 100. I can now add another account, 1002 or 1001 as you like it. Then the description, I can now say other income. Other income. So you can have additional information, the branch, department, and so on and so forth. Then what type of account is this? This is very important. This will classify our account that we are creating. So this is a revenue. So let's select revenue. Okay. So we can always edit and delete. Just assume this is not, I don't want this. I just delete that. So we have other income here also. This other income 321. So let me just delete the one I just created then, so that I'll just edit the name to another name. Let me say consultancy income. It's a consultancy income. So we can always check through the account and delete. So we have also cash and cash equivalent, cash float. I can edit all these ones to my various banks like UBA, GTB, and various banks that we use in Nigeria. It's under cash and cash equivalent. You can have GTB and so on and so forth. So this is just to show you various ways of editing and creating new account. There are two things that I don't like to show in my account: this suspense and take on suspense. I don't want these two things to show my account. But if I try deleting, it will not allow me. Why? Because it is already used in a particular setting. That's what I was trying to explain in the beginning, that if a particular account has been in a setting, it will not allow to be deleted. It's not telling me information, general ledger account. The selected account is referenced by the following and cannot be deleted. The first one is customer transaction type, and second one is supplier transaction types. Good. So now I need to go to those places and check, because if it's showing suspense in my account, I don't really like it. So let me go to maintenance. I'll now go to customer. I'll now locate transaction type. Okay, this is it. 9550. So let me double click. Opening balance. So it is used as an opening balance, that once I have a new customer balance in my information, I create a new customer and I enter the opening balance, it automatically debit receivable control and credit take on suspense. So I don't want it to be going to take on suspense. I prefer it to go to retained earnings, because after the account we have the retained earnings brought forward and carried forward. But in case you have a contrary view to this, you can select an account that is suitable for you. But just for training purposes, I want to use my retained earnings, so that I will be able to remove suspense totally from my account. Trying to locate retained earnings. Retained earnings. If I knew the code, I would have just selected the code, but just have to scroll. Okay, this is called accumulated profit. So I'll click on OK. So did I have any 9 again with this 9 over here? So this journal credit, I'll just change this also to accumulated profit. That is our retained earnings. Retained earnings. I can also rename that accumulated profit to retained earnings, but it's fine for now. So let me edit this one also, so that I don't want to have anything like suspense. I think it is 5. Start from 5. So I just select 5 and not to waste much of our time. Good. So now let's go to the suppliers also, transactions type. So select same as before. So my accumulated profit is 5. Then we also have it here also. Accumulated profit. Okay. Accumulated profit. Okay. So let me now go back to my chart of account. Go back to my chart of account, just select account. Let me now see if I'm able to delete this now. Good. It's now deleted. Then suspense also. Let me see. Good. So nothing like suspense in my account. So for more inquiries on chart of account, you can always call my phone number showing on the screen or visit our website for more information. Thanks very much for watching.